beehive in our yard.
The one stealing my seeds and digging up my garden. Look at him. An earthworm. It's our friend. Look at, it's trying to get away by getting bigger.
An exposed beehive in our yard. It's up in a tree, I would say about 15 feet up. And I know they're not going to make it out there in the cold like that. I thought of, okay, maybe an avocado picker when it's cold or something like that. Otherwise it's just... Okay, yeah, it's kind of like, it's a tropical type tree with like an umbrella, so they're kind of underneath there. So, I don't know. Oh, interesting. Okay, well I hope so. I would like them to, but, okay. 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 Well, thank you. I mean, if
See him. There he is, the little varmint. He's the one stealing my seeds and digging up my garden. Look at him. Bold-faced creature. Actually love them. Just sitting there. Oh, look at him sneaking. Little rascal. Oh. There's the bee colony. So the summary of what the bee guy said was, they're 15 feet up in the air. Oh, they'll be fine. Actually, on Reddit, they told me that in the winter time here in California, it'll get too cold and they probably won't survive. But they're building a comb, so I'm gonna see. But yeah, the bee guy said basically, oh, they'll be fine up there. If it's too cold, they'll move on. I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm gonna keep an eye on them. They're up really high. Hey, you wanna help me plant a tree?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's go.
I'm ready to do it.
All right, let's go like this. We got a big bag of organic container potting soil and this nice planter, so we can give a John Paul. That's not nice. So we can give this willow tree a home, because look, it's so squished. I have to poke the holes in this pot first. Hopefully I can do it gently. You want to help? Well, so far that's working.
Hold this for me. I can help.
Can I put it in my pocket?
No.
No? An earthworm! It's our friend! Look at, it's trying to get away by getting bigger. There's another one?
And there's another one over here.
Another oak tree. I will save the oak tree. Here's Brian the mailman.
Hey, Brian.
Oh, there you go. Thank you. John Paul knows what he's doing. Do you know what manure is?
No.
That's what this is. It makes the plants grow. That's why most people use gloves.
That's true.
Yeah, most of it. The plants like it.
I can do it.
Oh, look, he's brave. He touches it. I think it's an avocado. Maybe it's not. I thought it was avocado.
His name is Avocado
Where's
Man.
the avocado? Maybe it was this thing.
I don't know.
I don't know. We'll let it grow and find out.
Let it go and see if there's avocado.
Let's let it grow and we'll find
Oh,
out. What is this? Oh no, it's just a clump of dirt.
Just one. Just
Okay,
one.
let's pour it in.
Yes, can I pour it in?
Yeah, throw it in there.
No.
You throw it in while I get it under control. Hey. Tree planted. So we. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. Oh.
No, mommy, have an idea. Maybe. Stop it.
It's in the pot so that we'll fill it. Oh, you're dirty. You gotta wash your hands again. Ah! He doesn't like to get his hands dirty. I don't like it either, but I wore out my gloves. Oh, hi. Then maybe you just supervise. You know what supervise means?
No.
It means you watch and you give suggestions about how to do it.
This is so embarrassing.
Why? You don't have to be embarrassed.
I'm just kidding.
Oh.
This is a wheel. It's my one. So,
Fast. Well, the kids are happy.
Happy?
Yes. It looks beautiful. Let's water it, okay? It will help it adjust because we really we knocked a lot of the roots off probably, which is okay. It has a lot. All right, good job, John Paul. Yeah, water all 3 of the trees, and I'm gonna plant this golden barrel cactus in the old pot. I always wanted one. I hope it grows really big. The kids know that cactus are spiky. Wow, good job, bud. Thanks for helping me with that. Yeah? It's a flood. I think that's enough, thanks. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's enough. I'm pretty sure that's enough.
It's a wild red clover.